The smartphone of the future is here. Xiaomi has launched its new smartphone in the Mi Mix series, that is the Mi Mix Alpha 5G. And in this video, we are going to discuss more about this. So, without a further delay, let's get started. Hello guys, my name is Sid and welcome to our channel. So Xiaomi's new Mi Mix Alpha 5G looks futuristic in design and also its specifications are mind-blowing. The Mi Mix Alpha 5G is a concept phone which comes with surround display that gives an immersive user experience as you can see in this video. This is an all-glass phone which means it has glass on both the front and back of the phone. The top and bottom of the phone are made of titanium alloy, ceramics and sapphire. The Mi Mix Alpha has a black stripe on the back panel that includes a massive 108 megapixel Samsung HMX camera sensor along with a 20 megapixel wide-angle camera and a 12 megapixel camera to take portrait shots. The phone has 7.92-inch flexible OLED display of resolution 2088x2250. It is powered by the latest Snapdragon 855 Plus processor paired with a 12 GB of RAM. It has a big 4050 mAh battery with 40-watt fast charging support. The price of this phone is 19,999 yuan, which is around 2 lakh in Indian rupees. Xiaomi has said that it will produce a limited batch of Mi Mix Alpha at the end of this December. The design of this phone makes me think how the design of the smartphones are evolving. From phones with huge bezels and single camera to bezel-less display, pop-up camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, quad camera setup and foldable smartphones, we have come a long way. Let's see how far this goes. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, then make sure you're subscribed to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, share this video with your friends and family. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, whose links will be provided in the description. Now I will meet you in the next video. Have a great day guys.